Good morning to all. Now, just we are going through the problems on Laplace transformations. Let us start. Here basic things are very easy. Students have to observe all these things. Don't by heart the concepts. Now just look at. Find Laplace transformation of e power 2t into sine 2t. Next, find Laplace transformation of e power t into e power t into cos 3t. How much? Similarly, Laplace transformation of e power 3t into t cube. This is how much? Laplace transformation of e power 2t into sine h 3t. Now just look at all these problems. Now we have to make it. In the first instance, observe all the functions. I have given you sine, cosine, hyperbolic sine, or plain t powers, but all these signals are being multiplied by e power, e signal, exponential signal, everything. So these kind of signals are called frequency shifting. These are called frequency shifting property. Very easy. Now let us start. First one is called e power 2t into sine 2t. How to solve it? In this case, firstly let what is f of t? Don't touch exponential signal. Go for the remaining signal, that is sine 2t. Now Laplace transformation of this f of t, that is equal to Laplace transformation of sine 2t. So this is equal to s. S means 2. That is 2 by s square plus 4. Now therefore Laplace transformation of e power 2t into f of t. This will become f of s minus 2. That means what? In the previous step, wherever you find the Laplace transformation of a given signal, that is 2 by s square plus 4, let it be f of s. Before, in this signal, in the output of this s domain, wherever there is s, replace s by s minus 2. This is the meaning of that one. Frequency shifting. The previous one, s square plus 4. Wherever you find s, in that case you have to make s minus 2. Therefore, this implies the output equal to 2. In place of s, here you have to make s minus 2 whole square plus 4. That equal to 2 by s square minus 4s plus 8. This is the output of this problem. This is the output of this problem. Understanding? Now, look at the second one. Laplace transformation of e power t into cos 3t. How much? In this case, don't look at the exponential. Firstly, just we have to keep cos 3t. Now, Laplace transformation of cos 3t, that equal to s by s square plus 9. Let it be f of s. Now, therefore, by frequency shifting problem, multiplying by an exponential signal, cos 3t, that is equal to, here t means what? 1 into t, that means a equal to 1. That is equal to f of s minus a, that is equal to 1. That equal to s minus 1 by s minus 1 whole square plus 9. This is equal to s minus 1 by s square minus 2s plus 10. This is the output of this problem. Now, look at the third one, e power 3t. L of e power 3t times of t cube. That is equal to how much? Here, L of t cube, that is equal to 3 factorial by s power 3 plus 1 equal to 4. That equal to 6 by s power 4. That equal to, let it be f of s. First take the signal other than exponential. Find the Laplace transformation for that one. You got 6 by s power 4. Now, Laplace transformation of e power 3t with t cube, that is equal to frequency shifting f of s minus, here a means what? 3. So, in the previous one, there is s, there you have to make it whole power 4. This is the signal. Now, go for the fourth one, that is equal to Laplace transformation of e power 2t into sine h 3t is how much? So, here first Laplace transformation of sine h 3t, that equal to a by s square plus 9. Let it be f of s domain. Now what you have to find? You have to find e power 2t into sine h 3t. Here frequency shifting, a equal to how much? 2. This will become f of s minus 2, that is equal to 3 by s minus 2 whole square plus 9. This is equal to 3 by s square minus 2s plus 13. Understanding? So this is the way of applying frequency shifting. So take any signal, multiplying with exponential, you call it as frequency signal. Understanding? Now, let us start another one. Now, find Laplace transformation of t power minus 1 by 2. How much? Now, what we have? L of t power minus half equal to, that is equal to, here n equal to minus half, that is equal to minus half factorial by s power minus half plus 1. But there is no factorial for negative numbers, but factorial negative numbers. So what we have? We have n factorial equal to gamma of n plus 1. This is equal to n gamma n. Understanding? So now this is equal to gamma of minus half plus 1 by s power half, that equal to gamma of half by s power half. Gamma of half is how much? Root pi by equal to root s. This is equal to under root s pi by s. L of t power minus half. Understanding? This is very important concept. Now another one. What is Laplace transformation of t power 3 by 2? This is not an integer. Wherever there is a fraction number is given, we are supposed to use gamma function. Understanding? Now t power 3 by 2. This is equal to 3 by 2 factorial by s power 3 by 2 plus 1. So what is n factorial? N factor is gamma of n plus 1. So it should be written as gamma of n plus 1 by s power 5 by 2. Understanding? Now here just look at gamma of 3 by 2 plus 1. Simplify. Gamma of n plus 1 equal to n gamma n formula. It will become 3 by 2 into gamma of 3 by 2. It can be written as 3 by 2 into gamma of half plus 1 you can write. Both are same. Again, gamma n plus 1 equal to n gamma n. Again, reduce the function. This is equal to 1 by 2 into gamma of 1 by 2. Now, this is equal to 3 by 2, 1 by 2, gamma of equal to root pi. So now, gamma of 3 by 2 plus 1 value equal to 3 by 2, 1 by 2, root pi. This is equal to 3 root pi by 4. Now substitute this value in that problem. Therefore, L of t power 3 by 2, that is equal to 3 by 4 root pi by s power 5 by 2. This is the output of this problem. So one important point is that whenever powers are given, so for example, this is 5 by 2, 3 by 2. What is Laplace transformation of 5 by 2 is given. Every time no need to make this entire calculation. Now just look at, you can make it as 5 by 2 factorial by s power 5 by 2 plus 1. This is equal to 5 by 2 means what? You can simply make like that 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means what? You can make it as 5 by 2 reduce 1 minus 1 3 by 2 minus 1 half into gamma of half. Direct step you can make it. So this will become 5 into 3 15 by 8 gamma of equal to root pi. Direct formula. So this is equal to 15 root pi by 8 into s power 7 by 2. This is the output. In this way, just you can make problems like this. Any problem, any number of problems, you can make it like this. Understanding? For 7 by 2 means what? For example, t power 7 by 2 is given. In that case, you have to make it as 7 by 2, 5 by 2, 3 by 2, half into gamma of half. That means what? 35, 105. 105 by 16 root pi. Simplification. Understanding? In this way, you can make it any problems like this. Okay? Now let us start another one. Now, there is one problem. For example, look at Laplace transformation of sin t into cos t. How much? Laplace transformation of sin t into cos t. So no need to make the differentiation, but generally what we have sin 2t formula. Sin 2t equal to 2 sin t into cos t. So you can reduce this 2 sin t cos t into this formula. Therefore, multiply with 2 and divide by 2. Half into L of 2 sin t cos t. This is equal to half into Laplace transformation of sin 2t. So this is equal to half into a by s square plus a square. Now just look at, this is the formula. 2 sin t cos t. Got it? Similarly, f of t is equal to 1 minus cos t. What is L of ft? L of ft means what? L of 1 minus cos t. That is equal to L of 1 minus L of cos t. L of 1 equal to 1 by s. Cos t means s by s square plus 1. Now just look at, you can make any Laplace transforms in your way. Understanding? Now, what is Laplace transformation of e power minus 3t? That is 1 by s plus 3. Direct. Got it? Direct. For example, all these are just how are we applying the applications on Laplace transformations. Okay? Now, in the next session, we are going to enter deeply in the problems of Laplace transformations. Thank you.